Hi, we're here at SaaS Forum Netherlands, and I'm joined with Mathias Coopmans. How are you today?
I'm very well, Kirsten. Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about the technology connection session that happened this morning.
Well, actually, this morning we asked the people to come up a bit earlier. So we started at 8 o'clock really for a breakfast session. And in there we made an entire demonstration of SaaS. So we used SaaS platform technology, both with some of the SaaS solutions, and we integrated those along a long business story to show the people really how our software looks, how it's integrated, and how they could utilize this and inspire them with how they could bring these ideas home to their own business.
Well, tell me, speaking of inspiration, what was yours around the whole session? I mean, what drove you to think about that content and the demos that were behind it?
Well, actually, we got a lot of that inspiration by just looking at what our customers are doing. So our customers, many of them are also undergoing transformations and digitalization of their business that generates a lot of their data. Now, we've been looking at some of examples and we've applied that to a car insurance case. Now, if you look at an insurance, they're doing lots of things and they do lots of newer projects like putting IoT devices in there, capturing a lot of online data of their web visitors, and looking at combining all of that different kind of source of data is really what we wanted to do. Now, interestingly enough is that some of these customers are really doing already today those kind of projects where they got a lot of data, apply analytics to it, and that's what really we wanted to show at this breakfast session this morning.
That's wonderful. Having those business use cases of real customers using SaaS to fix problems is pretty much what everyone wants to hear and see today, isn't it?
Oh yeah, absolutely. And the nice thing is we got inspired by what our clients are doing. And so we thought this is a good occasion to really bring it back to a large group of other customers to really show what's out there in the market and how we can bring all of that together.
Can you give us a little preview of anything else that you're especially looking forward to over the course of the forum today?
Well, actually, we're doing lots of things here. So we've got lots of exciting customer presentations happening here today. There is also a huge demo area with all of these partners really also showing.
It is really big, isn't it?
It is really huge. Lots of those people are really active here in the market and really doing a lot of interesting things. And a good example that I liked a lot is what we've been doing with image recognition. We've been using that as well in our plenary session this morning, the technology connection. But we've really actually got customers as well already applying that and putting that in the hands of their business users to see if we have images captured, what actual knowledge can we take out of that?
That's wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. Looking forward to seeing you again at the rest of the forum, and hopefully it's going to continue to be an incredible event. So thank you, Mathias.
Yeah, you're welcome. It already is an incredible event. So thank you very much, Kirsten.
Thank you.
Okay.